Good morning, everyone. Thank you all for joining. We'll be starting in a minute or two. Kindly request you to be patient. Thank you.
Hello. Sir, I am audible?
Yes,
I
sir,
am
you are
audible?
audible, sir. You are
Yes,
audible,
sir.
sir. Most welcome, sir.
Yes, sir. Welcome. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Sir, we'll start in a minute, sir.
I am visible, sir?
Sir, you're visible, sir, but your view is tilted.
Sir?
அப்படியே tilt ஆயிருக்கு, sir.
அப்படியா ஒரு நிமிஷம். ஓகே
இப்போ okay, sir. Now it's fine, sir.
ஓகே ஓகே தேங்க் யூ.
Evan, sir, are you there? Govind or Vinod, can you just give me an assurance whether we can start? Is the live streaming okay? Yeah, thank you. Yeah, thank you, Rishabh. Your live streaming started, and we are very happy to welcome you all for the welcome meet for the 9th batch of ME Structural Engineering of Akshaya College of Engineering and Technology. Akshaya College of Engineering and Technology is an institution, is 12 years old. Our Department of Civil Engineering is 11 years old, and our ME Structural Engineering is now officially 10 years old with the 9th batch coming. The first batch of ME Structural Engineering was started in the year 2013, and we had the first batch passing out in 2015, and we have the 9th batch now. We are very happy to welcome you all to complete your ME Structural Engineering from the year 2021 and pass out in flying colors in 2023. Before we start this welcome meeting, we will have a silent prayer, generally for world peace, and also as a special tribute to the Nightingale of India, Lata Mangeshkar ji, who has left us all from this world to the celestial planets. So let's observe a minute of silence before we start the function. Thank you everyone for a silent prayer. I'm very happy to welcome all of you for the welcome meet for 9th batch of ME Structural Engineering. I would first like to welcome with a lot of gratitude our chief guest for this occasion, Dr. M.J. Gopinathan. We'll of course be introducing Dr. M.J. Gopinathan in the due course, but to just tell one thing about him. I've been a teacher for 19 years, a student for nearly 25 years, but I have never seen a more passionate individual than Dr. Gopinathan. When Dr. Gopinathan was pursuing his ME way back in 2005, civil engineering was not what it is now. It was at its bottom. Many people said that civil engineering and structural engineering will slowly go away. But Dr. Gopinathan said there will always be a great future for civil engineering and structural engineering. His confidence was so infectious, and after 5 years, from 2005 to 2010, we could see a marked difference in the popularity of civil engineering and structural engineering as disciplines. So he is a man of great estimation and prediction skills. He is a man of great passion. He is a man of great confidence, and we are very, very happy to have him as the chief guest for our welcome meet. I don't think we could have got a better person. We are very, on behalf of Akshaya College of Engineering and Technology and our Department of Civil Engineering, I wholeheartedly welcome Dr. M.J. Gopinathan, sir. Sir, welcome, sir. I am extremely happy to welcome my fellow faculty members of Akshaya College of Engineering and Technology. Akshaya is a family. Any function or any event we organize is open not only to our present faculty members, but also to the faculty members who were with us earlier and have taken other career streams. I would like to welcome all the faculty members here from different departments and, and from our own department. I would like to extend a warm welcome to our Vice Principal, Dr. Shivashankari ma'am, who has joined us for this occasion. I am very happy to welcome all the students and alumni of our department. In our department, we don't differentiate between students and alumni. They are all part of our lives. So we are very, very happy to welcome all the students and alumni who are joining here, both from BE departments and from ME departments. And the most special welcome should be reserved for the heroes of the day, the 9th batch of ME Structural Engineering. We have 18 wonderful people. I'll be introducing them very soon to you. So we very, very specially welcome the 9th batch of ME Structural Engineering. Today is just a start. I'm sure that you're going to have 2 lovely years with the institution. So I welcome one and all once again for a welcome meet for the 9th batch of ME Structural Engineering. And with this, I would kindly request our Professor Sheikh Mohammed Anas sir to give you a brief overview about ME Structural Engineering. Anas sir, over to you.
Well, thank you, sir. Sir, is visible, sir? Sir, is visible, sir?
Yes, no, sir, it's visible.
Thank you, sir. Good morning to all. I am here to explain about the new regulation 2021 syllabus for ME Structural Engineering. In the first semester, we have 6 theory subjects and 2 practicals. The credits given for theory subject, MA 4153 Advanced Mathematical Methods is 4, and ST 4101 Theory of Elasticity and Plasticity is 4, and ST 4102 Structural Dynamics and Earthquake Engineering is 4, and RM 4151 Research Methodology and IPR is 2. And the professional elective 1 subject have 3. We select prefabricated structure for elective 1.
Anna sir,
Sir, yes, sir.
We have lost your screen. Can you just share again, sir? Sorry.
Sorry, sir.
We have lost your screen.
Screen lost, sir.
Sorry. Amma, sir.
Perfect, sir.
No, okay, sir.
No, okay, sir.
Oh, okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. So the professional elective 1 subject have 3. So we select prefabricated structure for elective 1. And the last one is audit course 1. We select disaster management for audit course 1. This have no credit. It's optional. So the credits given for practicals of ST 4161 Advanced Construction Engineering and Experimental Techniques Laboratory is 2, and ST 4111 is a technical seminar is 1. So the total credit is 20 for your first semester. And in the second semester, you have 6 theory subjects and 2 practicals. The credits given for theory subjects of ST 4201 Advanced Steel Structures is 4, and ST 4202 Advanced Concrete Structures is 4, and ST 4203 Finite Element Analysis in Structural Engineering is 3. And professional elective 2 and professional elective 3 and audit course, we will be select the elective subject and audit course 2 for second semester later. And the credits given for practicals, ST 4211 numerical and finite element laboratory is 2, and ST 4212 structural design studio is 2. So the total credit is 21 for your second semester. And in the third semester, you have 3 theory subjects and 2 practicals. So the credits given for theory subjects of professional elective 4 is 3, and professional elective 5 is 3, and open elective is 3. So we will be select the elective subjects for third semester later. Then the credits given for practicals, ST 4311 practical training 4 weeks is 2 and ST4312 project work 1 is 6. You have to start your project work in your third semester. So the total credit is 17 for your third semester. And in the fourth semester, you have only practicals. ST4411 project work 2 is 12. So students, you have to concentrate more on high credit point subjects and wish you all the very best. Thank you all. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much, Anna sir.
Thank you, sir.
For lucidly explaining how the ME structural engineering concept works. I'm sure the students will understand the nuances in due time. And of course, if you have any sort of doubt, never have it with you. I will assure you that you have the most friendly teachers you can come across, like Professor Anas, like Professor Vijayanand, like Professor Mukhannan, like Professor Edwin. So you can ask them anytime, anywhere, out of the world. And I will give you a personal assurance, they will take the questions in the right spirit and they will never have a sense of offense. I'm sure, of course, you're going to find it for yourself very soon. Now, the next part of agenda is to present before you the 18 students who will constitute the 9th batch of ME Structural Engineering. '18 is a very special number. Be it Bhagavad Gita chapters, be it this number of steps you have to take to have an Ayyappa Swami darshan in Sabarimala. In Hebrewism, 18 is a very special number. Virat Kohli's jersey, 18. A perfect golf course will have 18 parts. So 18 is a very special number. Noble gases you see in periodic table, they have the number 18. So we have 18 very special students. We have the full capacity of students for our ME Structural Engineering. And it will be my innate pleasure to introduce all of you to them. So I will go by the order of their birthdays, not by the alphabetical order. We have a very special person to start with because he has his birthday on the first day of New Year. To introduce about this gentleman, he was born on Jan 1st. So his Happy New Year is also happy birthday to him. He is from CIT. He loves all papers related to structural engineering. He admires the valor of Bhagat Singh. He admires the values of Swami Vivekananda. I'm very happy to present before you Mr. S.K. Padmanabhan. Padmanabhan will be very happy for us if you just turn on your video for a second and say hi to everyone.
Thank you so much, sir.
So thank you,
Hi
thank
to
you
all.
very much, Padmanabhan. So we missed wishing you on your birthday and a happy new year, but I think the next year, 2023, we'll start the celebrations with your birthday as well as the New Year's.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
so much.
Padmanabhan. And moving on in the calendar, Jan 9th will also be a special day for us because we have not one but two birthdays on Jan 9th. We have Satish Kumar and Nazar, both born on Jan 9th. Nazar sir is from Alathur and Satish Kumar is from Dindigul. I am not able to see both of them here. If Nazar sir or Satish Kumar, if you have joined, can you just give us a ping in the chat so that we can have a momentary glimpse at you? Okay, I think both of them are not here. So Jan 9th will be a second important day because Nazar as well as Satish Kumar are celebrating their birthday on Jan 9th. We have another January born who celebrates his birthday on a very special day in Tamil Nadu, the Pongal day. He celebrates his birthday on Jan 14th. Let me have the pleasure of introducing Alan to you. Alan, can you just say hi or turn your video, or if you are comfortable, can you just give your audio? Okay, so Alan is from Malappuram and has completed BE at Sri Venkateshwara College.
Sir?
Yeah, Alan, can you just say hi to everyone?
Can you hear, sir?
Yeah, I can definitely hear you.
Sir, I'm from Kerala, Malappuram. I'm completed my BE in Sri Venkateshwara High Tech Engineering College, Erode.
Thank you very much. From Erode to Coimbatore, you are traveling in the right direction, to not only to Kerala, but also to your career. I'm sure these 2 years will be a memorable years for you, and you'll take a lot of knowledge and memories from our institution. Welcome, Alan.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. So from January, we move on to February, and to introduce this person who's going to celebrate his birthday tomorrow. I don't think Roshan has joined. Roshan, are you here by any chance? Okay, to say a few words about Roshan. Roshan is our alumni in BE Structural Engineering at Akshaya College of Engineering Technology. He studies his BE from 2013 to 17. He was the class representative of his very famous civil B section. He was a very calm person. He is from Kerala as well. His entire class is called as town, and as a class leader, Roshan is always the calm before the storm. Roshan will turn another year tomorrow. February 7th is his birthday. So a very warm advance birthday wishes, and welcome back, Roshan. We are very happy to have you back at Akshaya again. And from February 7th, we have another birthday coming. The coming Saturday, we will be having Mr. Adaikan celebrating his birthday. I don't think Adaikan has also joined. Adaikan is once again my student. He was my student at Studywell College of Engineering. I think that was 11 years before. He basically hails from Ponnamaravadi district, and he is settled in Selvapuram. And his father started off as a small builder, and after completing his BE, Adaikan has taken the business to next level, and is counted as one of the most young and upcoming builders of Coimbatore. So very happy that Adaikan has chosen to pursue a career in structural engineering by taking a break from his career. So welcome back, Adaikan. And from February, we are going to March. We are very happy to welcome back this student who was born on the 4th of March. Yeah, we do have Saravanan here. Saravanan is a student of 2021 BE passing out batch. One of the most favorite students of all teachers. Very calm, polite, the teacher's pet type of student. A student who can make no mistake in his academic life. So we have Saravanan here. Saravanan, can just turn on your video or at least audio and say hi to us. Saravanan,
இருக்கேன் சார்.
Saravanan, can you just say a few words about yourself and say hi to everyone?
I am Saravanan from Pollachi. I was completed my engineering degree in Akshaya College of Engineering Technology in 2021. Hi everyone. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. So Saravanan is a man of very few words, but his actions are always very huge and big. Very happy that Saravanan has chosen to continue his career at Akshaya. 2017 to 21, he did his BE, and 21 to 23 is taking his ME forward. We are always happy to have Saravanan at Akshaya. Thank you, Saravanan. And from March, I think we have two more people born in March. He is a very, very famous person. Like this gentleman, I also have been a big fan of the movie Hridayam and Vineet Srinivasan. And here is Rakesh, born on 20th of March. Rakesh, can you just unmute yourself or turn on your video and say hi to everyone.
Hi, sir. Hi, sir. I'm Rakesh.
Rakesh and Padmanabhan, you're both joining from the same device.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
We are in same office.
Same office.
Yeah,
Yeah,
welcome.
Okay.
Yeah, over to you.
I am Rakesh, sir. I have completed my engineering degree in Coimbatore Institute of Technology in 2016. Now I'm working in a private concern. Happy to join in this group for a MA degree. Thank you all.
Thank you, Rakesh. We wish you nothing but the best here. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you. Thank
And
you.
then from Rakesh, who's celebrating his birthday on March 20, we go 10 days ahead to March 30, where we have another famous student from our famous 2017 batch, where we had more than 100 students studying BE Civil Engineering. AK Guru is how I call him, one of my most favorite personal students, with someone whom I share a very lovely bond. Guru, can you just turn on your video and audio and say hi to everyone?
Hi, sir.
A few
Can
words about yourself.
okay, sir. Okay. My name is A.K. Guru or Ananda Krishna Guru. I am from Theni. Now I am in Kenneth Kadavu.
Yeah, thank you, AK Guru. He's from Theni. He's always
Akshaya College of Engineering and Technology.
You can never see him sitting in a point. He will always be busy doing all sorts of works. Thank you, AK Guru. So from March,
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
we move on to April. We have a very special person born on April 4th. A set of people believe that people born on the same day of the same month, for example, like Padmanabhan on the first day of the first month, people born on the second day of the second month, third day of the third month, they are supposed to be very special people. So we have this person born on the fourth day of the fourth month. Let me very happily introduce Abhishek to you. Abhishek, can you just turn on your video and audio if possible and say hi to everyone?
Sir.
We can hear you, Abhishek.
Okay, sir. My name is Abhishek. I'm from Malappuram, from Kerala. I am completed my degree in Aluminum Engineering College, Shornur. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Abhishek. So we look forward to having your presence and seeing you grow as a structural engineer in the next 2 years. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
And we have two more people born on April, and you are going to see a lot of him, hear a lot of him. The gentleman born on the 12th of April, he is always omnipresent in our college. So I am surprised that he is not here. Jerem, are you here in Samara Devi?
Sir, yes, sir. Yes, this is my another one. Hello.
Hello.
This is my another one, my lady, sir.
Gopi sir, thank you, sir. We'll just finish the introduction and join you, sir. Thank you, sir. Jerem Justin, born on April 12th, is always omnipresent in our institution. I think he got out just by a network failure because it's otherwise hard to keep him away from our college. Jerem is one of our most prized possessions. He completed this BE in 2017 to 21 in our institution. Rather, he joined late. He got transferred to the institution on our third year, but even in this 1 year, he had a very, very special bonding with our institution and he's continuing his yummy here. Welcome, Jerem. It's a surprise if you don't turn up. I think only a network can keep you away from Akshaya College of Engineering Technology. Thank you, Jerem. Another person born on April, I think he joined earlier, but I can't see his name now. Arun Krishna celebrates his birthday on 25th of April, and he'll be the 12th student of our batch. Arun, are you here? Okay, Arun Krishna is from Sri Ramakrishna Engineering College. A big fan of A.R. Rahman and MS Dhoni. And I think we are missing him in the meeting. He was there previously, but I think once again, network issue is not here. So from April, we move on to our May people. We have one person born on the 24th of May. Akshaya produces a lot of loud people, and we, of course, very rarely and very occasionally produce some very silent people. And belonging to this silent category, silent in personality, but very loud in his actions, Bibin. Bibin, can you just unmute yourself? He's once again.
Hello, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Bibin is from 2016 to 20 batch of BE Civil Engineering of Akshaya College of Engineering Technology. Bibin, you can just introduce you to everyone.
Hello, guys. I'm Bibin from Valparai. I'm completed BE degree in Akshaya College, 2020 batch. Thank you, sir.
As I told you, he's a man of very few words, but his actions will definitely be there for use quickly. And he's the only person born on May in your batch. Next, we go on to June, where we have Mr. Ramaya. Once again, a student who pursued his BE in Akshaya College of Engineering Technology, 2014 to 18 batch. Ramaya, I think, is not available. If you go to Coimbatore railway station, and if you can see any escalator, these are all his handworks. He has extensive experience and knowledge working with steel structures. The arch which you see in railway station, Coimbatore railway station, and all the escalators and steel structures erected at Coimbatore railway station were done under his supervision. So he has taken a break from his career and wants to pursue ME structural engineering. Ramaya is a very good friend, and he is someone who's not perturbed by any circumstances. For example, we watched Annate together in Diwali, and he always maintained a very straight face. So welcome, Ramaya. And we do not have, and of course on July 3rd, we have another person, Gokul. Yeah, we are missing Gokul too. Gokul is a very, very interesting person. His favorite, he's completed his BE in 2021 from Dr. NGP Institute of Technology. A very big fan of Tanjore Temple. I think many few people are here who like Tanjore Temple. He's a big fan of Sachin Tendulkar and shares his birthday with Harbhajan Singh. So that is Gokul for you. I'm sure we'll see much of Gokul later. And we do not have anybody born in August or September or October. We have to move on to November, where we have Anushya, once again a student of our batch, 2014 to 18. Is Anushya here? She's not. Of course, she's disabled. So thank you, Anushya. She celebrates her birthday on November 1st, and she's one of the most studious students of 2014 to 18 batch. Welcome back, Anushya. And on November 6th, we have Vijay who celebrates her birthday on November 6th. Vijay can you just unmute yourself and say a few words?
Hello, sir.
Hello. Can you just introduce yourself, Vijay?
Okay. I am from Malappuram, Kerala. I complete my BTech graduation Alameen Engineering College, Palakkad, 2016.
Thank you. We are very happy to receive you in Akshaya College of Engineering Technology. We are very happy that both you and Abhishek are joining us from Alamin Engineering Shirano. It's a wonderful campus. I have visited that once. So very, very happy to welcome you both to Akshaya College of Engineering Technology. And Vijay celebrates a birthday on November 6th. And from November, we have one more person, I believe, who celebrates his birthday on November 15th, Vishnu. You cannot expect him to stay put in a place for a moment, but I think we have Jaram back. Vishnu is once again a student of our 2017 to 21 batch, and he is a very studious, very enterprising person who started his own business. And we have Jaram Justin back. So Jaram, can you just say hi? Jaram, can you just unmute yourself and say hi to everyone?
Hello, sir. Hi, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning. So that is Jaram Justin for you. So with this, we complete this batch. We have 18 students: Adaikan, Ananda Krishna Guru, Alan, Bibin, Anushya, Jaram, Padmanabhan, Nazar, Rakesh, Ramaya, Roshan, Saravanan, Vishnu, Abhishek, Satish Kumar, Vijimol, Arun Krishna, and Gokul. We are very, very happy to welcome you all, the 9th batch of ME Structural Engineering. So before we move on to the most important part of the day, the inspirational address of our chief guest, we do have our alumni here. The students of ME Structural Engineering, you should be aware that we have 2 Hall of Fames for you. After completing your degree, you can get into any of these Hall of Fames. The first Hall of Fame is the Hall of Fame of university rank holders. In our 9 years, we have produced 6 university ranks in ME Structural Engineering. So if you get an university rank, your photo will be placed in the Wall of Fame of our university rank holders. And every batch will have its own topper. We have 8 photos in the Wall of Fame already. So your photo, any one of your photo will be the 9th photo in our Wall of Fame. We have one of our Wall of Famers here. We have Swatini, a university rank holder from the 3rd batch of ME Structural Engineering here. As an alumni, we request her to share a few words to her juniors. Swatini, over to you.
Sir, am I audible?
Yes, Swatini, you are audible.
So, good morning, all. I'm very happy to share a few words with you. And before sharing few words, I would like to thank Edwin sir and Ratnavel sir for giving me this opportunity. And I'm the 3rd batch student. So in our batch, there are few students, not like you people. You're having 18 friends. I think actually there are 15 members, and we received good response. That is, the faculty members, being 4 students in a batch, the faculty members were, we were very close to the faculty members, and we were sitting with them, and we received the material from them, and like a friends. I think one of our alumni, that is Induji Nair madam, she is the 1st batch rank holder. She is our faculty, not only a faculty, she is our friend. We're very good friends with the faculty members. So please, I just advise, I like to give to all the current students is, so be friend with the faculty members. You can gain more knowledge, and we can receive a lot of information from them. And so concentrate on your academics, and you can also score a good score in the university examinations, and you can get university rank. Thank you, sir. Thank you for giving me this opportunity.
Thank you very much, Swatini. It is indeed we that we are very happy to see you back here. Swatini passed out in flying colors. She did her project in Anna University. So we are very happy that Swatini is back with us. And as she correctly pointed out, you have a very friendly group of faculty members who can definitely help you go up in your career. Thank you, Swatini, for representing our alumni of ME Structural Engineering. Now, before I invite our chief guest, Dr. M.J. Gopinathan sir, to address the gathering, it will be my honor to mention a few words.
ஃபேக்கல்ட்டியும் நல்லா இருந்தாங்க, ஃப்ரெண்ட்லியா இருந்தாங்க. நாங்க ஒரு 4 பேர் தான் இருந்தோம். நாங்க வந்து இன்னும் பெருசா.
Yeah, thank you, Swatini. Before I have the honor of inviting Dr. M.J. Gopinathan to you, I would like to have the honor of saying a few words about him. He is an engineer, born very close to the Engineers Day. Engineers Day, as all of you know, is celebrated as the birthday of Sri Visvesvaraya, which is 15th of September. Dr. M.J. Gopinathan was born on the 12th of September. He hails from the lovely place Avinashi, and after completing his BE from Tamil Nadu Engineering College, and ME from Tamil Nadu Engineering College. Tamil Nadu Engineering College, for those who don't know, is the first self-financing engineering institution in Tamil Nadu. After completing his BE and ME there, he completed his PhD in structural engineering at the very famous Structural Engineering Research Center, Anna University. And he completed his PhD in 2014, and his PhD was one of the most highly commended research projects of Research Center of Anna University. He is a registered valuer, a chartered engineer, and a member of Institution of Engineers. Most of us use the word JPG every day because we save pictures in JPG, but he saves his legacy in JPG. He runs his company, JPG Housings and Projects Private Limited, which has done a lot of engineering construction and valuation works in our part of the world. He has extensive experience and he has worked on a lot of important projects. To mention a very few, the new bus stand which you see in Tirupur has a lot of his experience and excellence written in it. He has worked for a lot of mills like Viking International Mill, Supreme Spinning Mill, Erode Babalal Lalchan MG Cotton Private Limited, etc. He's worked a lot on industrial buildings and institutional buildings like the Park School, Salsar Groups, etc. I can go on. His commercial, industrial construction alone would range from more to 40 to 50. He is a very active member in the social circles. He was a member of Junior Chamber International for 15 long years. He was the past president of Junior Chamber International, Avinashi. And he was also one of the recognized zone trainers of Zone 17 of Junior Chamber International. He has served the Lions Club extensively for more than 20 years. And professionally, he's been involved for more than 16 years with both the Institution of Engineers India and Institution of Valuers. Valuation of late is becoming a very, very important field in civil engineering, but the importance was recognized by Dr. Gopinathan even in 2006, and now he is one of the leading valuers. He has received a lot of awards. His doctorate, as I told you, was highly commended by the research center. His doctorate also got a special appreciation award from the Tirupur Social Service Trust. He was awarded the best civil engineer by the Rotary Club of Tirupur. And he wanted to do something for the civil engineering fraternity. So he started the Structural Engineers Association of Tamil Nadu, CA. And I will tell you, this seat is the most active organization of engineers, where there is a lot of healthy discussions on engineering and where a lot of engineers come together and improve the engineering practices of each other. I am very, very happy to present before you Dr. M.J. Gopinathan, and it is a great honor for Akshaya College of Engineering and Technology to welcome him to deliver the inaugural address for the 9th batch of ME Structural Engineering. Gopi sir, we are very happy to welcome you, sir, and we request you to kindly take over.
Thank you, sir. Yes.
Sir, you are muted, sir.
Yes. Good morning, friends. I am audible? Hello,
yes,
sir. I am visible, sir?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Good morning, friends. I think this is a great opportunity for me. You are not my friends. You are your Indian pillars. You are your future Indian pillars. You believe or not, this is true. My sincere thanks to Akshaya College of Engineering and Technology, principal, HODs, professors, lecturers, and other staff members, and my dear students. This is a great opportunity and one of my milestone for my career, because this is a great event. I like to see all Indian pillars within straight I will come to your college. I bring 25 years field experience and technology for your knowledge updation. I ask one question. Who likes India should be a number one country in the world? I think all are like India should be a number one country in the world in future. You believe or not, this is true. And I ask one other question. Which country civil engineer will come and develop our country? Think once again. Which country civil engineers and structural engineers will come and develop our country? You like India should be a number one country. So India need heavy infrastructures, multi-story buildings, and all other infrastructures in and around India. So definitely need more structural engineers, civil engineers. So one day you should be a number one person in Indian country. Your practice should be a number one. I'm audible? Sir? Hello?
You're audible, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes. So you are the monopoly. We are the structural engineers to develop our country. You believe or not, this is true. So don't worry about the statistical report. You believe yourself. You do something different. See all over the world, all are civil monuments like road, drainages, skyscrapers, high-rise buildings, airport, harbors, bridges, and all over the world wonders are civil structures. Don't worry about the statistics reports. Don't expect opportunity. Create the opportunity. If you expect opportunity, you are a worker. If you create an opportunity, you are a multimillionaire. All options are in civil engineering department. So you learn perfectly, you obey your masters, and you learn properly. You understand your studies in proper. So after that, you will sustain in the field easily. This is a royal civil, king of kings. If any persons like to start any work, first of all, call a civil engineer or structural engineer. This is our structural engineering and civil engineering department strength. So use this strength, use this opportunity. Infrastructure. What is meant by infrastructure? See, infrastructure is very, very important for our ethics, for our professional work. Infrastructure means road, bridges, airports, dams, ports, electrical transmission lines, water pipelines, sewage lines, underground water pipelines, sewage lines, healthcare systems, educational buildings, energy services, and military infrastructures. So we have a lot of options and lot of opportunities in India. In and around India, lot of job opportunities. So you don't worry about other thoughts and other things. Infrastructure is a quality of life. Infrastructure is a quality of economy. Good, better morning to good, better night. All are infrastructures. We need food, water, energy, and closed shelters, all from infrastructures. So we have lot of opportunities, lot of investing in the infrastructure field. Within 50 years, we will get lot of infrastructures in and around India because we need heavy infrastructures. Our association, Structural Engineers Association, persons went to 7 countries. So you believe or not, we are the monopoly. All the places Indian peoples are working, Indian peoples are dominating the structures, dominating the construction work. We believe or not, this is true. So we have a lot of mental ability and the strength of knowledge. So you use this knowledge and use this opportunity. Without infrastructure, society will not do anything. This is the true. So we are the royal civil. We are king of kings. Simplify the human life is called infrastructure. Okay. I ask one question. What is mean by engineer? What is mean by engineer? Anybody tell to me? What is mean by engineer? Any person?
Students, you can unmute yourself or you can post your answers in the chat box.
What is mean by engineer? Okay, so I will tell you. See, from ancient days, who completed the exam and graduation degree, that person is not an engineer. Engineer is find the solution for the problem. That person is called engineer from ancient days. That person have eligibility to lead the society. Who will give lot of things to the society? That person will accumulate and retain his name in this history, in our history. What is the role of engineers in the society? What is the role? You are studying engineering degree. What is the role for your professional to the society? Yes, I will tell you. New creation, new innovation, new thoughts, new ideas to create something to the society. It is a main role for civil engineers, structural engineers. So you set a goal, because in our lifetime, we will see our India #1 in the world. We have a stuff. You believe or not, this is true. Because last 5 years, we went to 7 countries. All the places Indians are working. Indian knowledge is dominating. So you have a lot of opportunity. Structural engineering is a very, very best course. So you will learn lot of money. Millions of millions. It is possible. Only in civil engineering department, structural engineering department. So you properly study, you obey your masters. You understand your topics. You have doubts, you go and ask your masters, you talk with masters, professors. So this is 2 years is very, very important for your lifetime. So next question. What is engineer's key role in society? What is engineer's key role in society? Yes, I will tell you. See, all around the world, all materials are engineering, manufacture, engineering innovations. Pen, pencil, pen drive, computer, all are engineers manufacturing, engineers innovations. So there is a main role for our profession. So you do something, you create something, you will get patent rights. So lifelong, you don't worry about the income and all. You have a chance to see like a precast, 3D printing, post tensioning, pre-tensioning. So limit state material working, all are creativity. So you like to, you set a goal in your life, you create something, you innovate something. It is a very important for our India. So India need this type of innovations within short. So you will get good name and good financial sources. Who is engineer? Okay, all the points are okay. Who is engineer? Key role is okay. Engineer's role is okay. All are okay. Who is engineer? Anybody? Who is engineer? Okay, I tell you. 10 to 20 times. 20 to 60 times. 60 to 100 times. 100 to failure. Who will get lot of failures? That person is a perfect engineer. You believe or not, this is true. Failure to 300 times. 300 to 800 times. 800 to 1000 times. After that, Thomas Alva Edison found that electricity and bulbs. So that is that person name sustained in the world when we will lose our world at that moment. So that person is called engineer. So you will try yourself. You have any idea, you will do it. You will research it. You go and talk with your masters, your professors, do it. You have such ideas. So you see eggs, coconut leaves, like, so it's a cell structure, folded plates. So like lot of part is there. So we have lot of opportunity. Engineer is a chapter of failure. Engineer is a chapter of failure. So we will get failure. Definitely we will get solutions. So that person is called engineer. Good from bad, high from low, success from failure, winner from loser, engineer from chapter of failure. Believe what you do what you believe. We can design the structure more than 100 stories. That building should be sustained from 70 years to 300 years. This stuff is mandatory for all structural engineers. All materials wells are based on civil engineering and structural engineering field only. So use this opportunity, study well, get good marks, you get good life. Thank you for this opportunity. Thank you. I have a PowerPoint. If possible, if you give some time, I will explain to you.
Sure, sir. Just give us a minute, sir. We'll try to share it.
No issue, sir.
Gopi sir, presentation visible, sir?
Yes, sir, visible, sir.
Sir, you can go ahead, sir. I'll change the slides.
Yes. What is your goal in structural engineering field? I am audible?
Yes, sir.
The PowerPoint is visible, sir?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, friends, Indian pillars. What is your goal in structural engineering field? Anybody? Okay. I brought some few goals. How to keep a goal in your life. Okay. So, first of all, if you will enter in your college, you fix a goal like, okay, Next, Bharat Ratna. So I think Tamil is easy language in this moment. Can I talk with Tamil?
Sure, sir. I think our Kerala students will not have an issue in you talking in Tamil also. You can talk in Tamil as per your convenience.
No issue, sir. I'm talking with English, no issue. But okay, see, first of all, you fix a goal in your life. In India, every person's like to get Bharat Ratna. This is a great award for our country. In our country, see, in past, lot of people, more than 12 people got Bharat Ratna. So like a goal you set in your life. In structural engineer, first Dr. Visvesvaraya got Bharat Ratna. Like that way, you fix your goal. Definitely in my life, I will get Bharat Ratna. Like that way, you fix your goal in your life. So you will achieve something. After that, India will get something. So like that way, you fix your goal. This is the first point for me. Next, small space in Indian history. See, we know our father's name. We know our grandfather's name. What about other family members' name? So we forgot all the person's name. This is not good. So we need a name. We need a small space in Indian history. So you fix like goal. I want a space in Indian history. Like that way, you will fix a goal. You will achieve something in our structural engineering field, civil engineering field. You believe or not, the soul power will give all the amenities to your brain. Next, see, this is basic life amenities. So you fix a goal. I want one house. I want good family. I want one Benz car or car. So it's a normal goal. At least you keep like that way. You will get something. Because every vehicle contains fuels. If fuel burn, after that only vehicle will move. So like that way, we need some goals in our life. Mandatory. It's a main thing. Unless it's very critical to achieve something. So you fix your goal. Next. See, keep like this way. Leading structural engineering company in India. You fix on goal. It's good for you and your professional life. So that's your option. Next. So four way you will fix your goal. You will achieve something. You will do something in future. It's very mandatory for our Indian country because you are a future Indian pillars. How to achieve your goals? Okay, goals are fixed. You have a lot of ambitions, lot of goals. Goals are fixed. How you will get it? What way you will get it? What is the secret to get it? Anybody tell? Okay, this is not the right time to ask this type of questions. Okay, next. Basic qualification for beginners as engineers. Knowledge and skill about surveying and leveling. You definitely know about surveying and leveling. Knowledge about various materials properties and qualities. It's very important for stress strain calculation, structure analysis also. Basic knowledge about structural strength of materials. Okay, basic knowledge about strength of materials. Knowledge about RCC structure and rebar detailing. Knowledge about formwork for RCC work. Skill about maintaining records. Driving skills, two-wheeler and four-wheeler. It's a mandatory. You will move one place to some other place. It's a very important. You don't expect some other persons. It's a very mandatory. Communication, read, write, speak English and local language. Adaptability to the environment, maintaining good relationship. These are very important points. If you have any shortage in these points, you will correct yourself. You will learn something from your lecturers, professors. Next. Technical updation with software skills. So presently, software is main mandatory part of our life. Even if you have no smartphone, you don't do anything. Even this program also doing in smartphone and laptops. So you update your technical skills like STAD Pro, ETAPS, RCDC, SAP 2000, SAF, NISA, GT Student, Tekla, Primavera, Plaxis, MS Project, etc. These are very important software to our professional life. So this time you will get 2 years. This is a pandemic situation. You have a lot of times. So you do something, you train something for your brain. It's mandatory for your professional life. Next. Drafting skills. See, you believe or not, AutoCAD is mandatory, but drafter in before the T scale. So we are doing manual. So rotary pen, stencils. We are using stencils, rotary pens. I'm state first in the structural drawing, 97 in RVS Engineering College, Dindigul. So definitely you know about and develop your drafting skills. Drawing is engineering knowledge, engineer's knowledge. Okay, so you understand your AutoCAD and your Hello, I'm audible?
Yes, sir, you're audible, sir.
Sir, next. Health and fitness. சுவர் இருந்தால்தான் சித்திரம் வரைய முடியும். You have a strong wall, you will draw anything on that wall. You have a weak wall, you won't do anything. So you need a strong wall. It's called strong body, strong mind. So first of all, you train your body and mind every day. You take 1 hour minimum for morning 6 to 7. It's a very, very important time to activate your energy, activate your knowledge, activate your brain, stimulate your brain. You leave your laziness. 6 o'clock. You train yourself, walking, jacking, martial arts, breathing, yoga, like that way. You take good food. Whenever you will get proper food, you take in proper. It's a mandatory. Next, brain fitness, yoga and dhyana and martial arts. It's very important for structural engineers because you will face illustrate peoples only. It's an uncontrolled group. Colleges and education systems are controlled group. You believe or not, it's an uncontrolled group. We don't predict any persons in our field. You will get any problem any time. So you will face all the problems anywhere. So you can, it is possible. I will tell you how to face our problems. So you will train yourself, you will train your brain. Next, body language. So first of all, very important one. As a structural engineer, as a professional, civil professional, must know about one martial arts. It's very, very important. You believe or not, this is true because you will face lot of problem in the field. If you are a structural engineer, you will draw one drawing, you will bring the drawing to the site, you will face illustrate peoples. Illustrate, manipulate, illustrate peoples create more problem to you. So at that moment, you don't use that martial arts. You need inner strength, inner soul power strength. It's a mandatory thing. So you learn any martial arts in your life. Next, body language. Body language. Body language is very, very important. Alan Pease, Udayamurthy's book, some other good books is there. Lot of video clipping in YouTube's. So you learn something about body language. Sitting posture, legging posture, standing posture, handshaking postures, smoking posture, cup and saucer postures, eyeball postures, head postures. So like the table mannerism, like that way you learn something about body language, you will get lot of benefit in future. You won't waste your time with the clients, with the staffs, with the laborers. It's very, very important. In future, you know my points. If you want to keep my words, you will face something differently. Next. Do's and don'ts in structural engineering industry. It's very, very important. You know Mauli Pakam?
Hello, sir. Hello.
Hello. Yes.
Yes, sir. I think we suddenly lost your voice. Now you're back, sir. Thank you, sir.
I'm audible, sir?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes. Don't do's. Hello. Don't do's in structural engineering field. Sir, I am audible?
Yes, sir.
Hello.
You're audible now.
Sorry,
You're
sir.
audible, sir.
Little
No,
bit
no problem.
internet problem. Yes. Initially, you must join in structural building consultancy company for 2 years. It's very, very important. You want to go to field straight away. You have a stuff, you have experience. It's not a criteria. First of all, you will go and obey with one senior person. You join with one senior person. You do your work sincerely for 2 years. 2 years is very, very mandatory. In between, you don't stay 6 months in one place. 6 months only you will take one place. After that, you will move from one place to another place. I will come to next point. So first of all, initially you must join in structural building consultancy company for 2 years. So you learn something, you learn differently. Whatever you get in future, whatever you will get something in from your seniors, you will learn in proper 2 years. So 2 years is very important point. Next. After you join in structural contract field, see, consultancy is one of the field, but you won't, in my experience, from my experience, I didn't get proper payment from single way system. So you don't do structural work only, structural consultancy work only. You will do structural contract works. You will start your company. You will get lot of money. So money is not a criteria, but you will do something. It is possible in that contract field. Next. So after you join professional bodies, Institution of Engineers, Engineering Council of India, Association of Consulting Civil Engineers, Indian Geotechnical Society, Indian Association of Structural Engineers, Institution of Valuers, Indian Concrete Institute, Structural Engineers Association Tamil Nadu, Builders Association of India. This is the leading associations in India. They are doing lot of things in every month. This professional bodies contains lot of senior expertises. So you will join this bodies, you will get lot of knowledges, update knowledges like 3D printing, post tensioning, cell structures, like that. Every month you will get seminars and webinars. Next, continue education. Getting a degree is not a destination, but it is a license to travel for a long journey. Regular updates, skill development, attending workshops, seminars, conferences, presenting papers builds confidence. Never stop learning, because life is never stop teaching. So you will get lot of experience in future. So at that moment you need update knowledge. All over the world, day by day, developing research and developments are going on. So you need update yourself every day by day. You update yourself, you will get lot of opportunities in future. Next, steel structure, also civil engineering discipline. You know about steel structures, you learn about steel structures, you will get lot of opportunities. So in steel structure field, no competition is there. So you will earn lot of money from that area. Next, don't go to big projects initially. See, one small project contains same work, one big project contains same work. If you go to 1,000 crore project, it will take 3 or 4 years. You will lose your you will lose your practice. Those persons put a foundation for 2 months. In between 2 months, the small project work will be completed over. So you know, column, beam, belt beam, roof concrete, masonry structures, and all in between 6 months. So you don't go big projects initially. So if a Tata consultancy company, lot of companies is there, those persons are asking, please come. Those persons will come and take campus interview. It's a very peculiar time. You think after you will join that projects, unless you will lose your time. Next, don't accept any commitments without experience. You know proper way, you have experience in that part, you will sign it. You accept that contract agreement and structural consultancy work. Unless you don't accept anything, it's very peculiar. You will get a lot of problems. So be careful in that area. Don't accept any commitments without experience. Don't stay in one place. If you go to small project, if you go to a company, take 6 month time. You will show your full effort. After 6 months, you leave from that company, go to some other company. So you at that moment, you will stay at that company 6 months only. So in 2 years, you will go for 4 companies. So after that 2 years, you will get 4 companies experience in between a short time. So don't stay in one place. It's the main point. Next, don't do same work symmetrically. If you will go to join one company, the company give a work as a structural consultant or a project management consultant. Quality controller. Don't do same work symmetrically. You will change yourself. So at that moment, you will get lot of experience, unless you will lose your time. So this is very important. Next. Job opportunities. We have lot of job opportunities. Believe or not, lifelong we have lot of job opportunities. You don't believe any statistics reports. So first one all, structural consultancy work, structural contract field work, promoter, government jobs, educational jobs, corporate company jobs in India, foreign country jobs. This is the main job opportunities. Next. Consultancy. Structural consultancy, valuation, stability certificates, surveying and total station, quantity surveying, soil test consultancy, private construction materials testing lab. This consultancy work contains lot of parts in our civil field. Next. Contract work, labor contract, materials contract, turnkey project, government contracts, foreign contracts. These are turnover will go more than 1,000 crores per annum. So it's a very interesting area. You will get lot of money. You will achieve something. You will do something. Your company should be listed company in share market also. This is the next part, stage 2. Next. Promoter. This is the topmost level in our civil engineering field. Independent houses, apartments, individual villas, cottages, commercial complex. These are like a L&T construction company, that is Sahara. We already know about that word Sahara, but little bit trouble. Those persons are in little bit trouble. So these type of companies we will create easily. We will earn something. We will do something. Next. That's all. So I spoke a lot of things to you. So I was implemented in my life also. This is my company. My company name is JPG Housing and Projects Private Limited. This is my projects for last 6 years. This is my achievements. My company is private limited company. Next. So I got some awards from Tamil Nadu government and social activities associations also. This is the best civil engineer award in Tirupur district. Next. See, you learn something, you earn something. So in between, you will give donation to the orphanage homes, that poor peoples, and those peoples need some shelters and all. You will do some help to the persons. So here nearby Avinasi, I constructed one orphanage home, 48 lakhs. It contains 48 lakhs worth. I collected all the money from public, only publics. And still now the orphanage home, Samadhana Illam, near Avinasi big temple, more than 150 orphanage childs are there. So Tamil Nadu government gave an award for my company. I think it's a little bit a small thing to the society from my company. Next. This is a ME structure, rank holder in Anna University. Next. Next. Yes, I'm black belt in karate. It's very, very important thing, because you will face a lot of illustrious peoples. So that's why I already spoke about that martial arts. So definitely you go and join a small martial arts things. If a girl or boy, it's not a criteria. Definitely you know about the martial arts. In Kerala, peoples know about the kalari and all. So you don't use anywhere, but the things need our professional life, because we will face a lot of illustrated people. Is a very peculiar word from my mouth. So already we met a lot of peoples in our field. So if you see 1,000 peoples, 900 peoples, definitely illustrated peoples. So it's a mandatory thing. You will control the persons. You need a stuff, different stuff. Unless you will escape from that place, it's a very, very Sorry to say this word. This is out of our syllabus. As a friends, I tell my experience. That's it. Next. This is my first project of Tirupur new bus stand. I constructed in 22 years old. I spent a lot of time in that area. Next. Next. This is my company. This is my finished projects. Apartments, villas. My turnover is more than 200 crore in 16-17. So after that we got RERA, Real Estate Regularization Authority. So in between we have some political and government rules and regulations. So we are not able to face that problems. We are it's a little bit going on. It's growing. That professional is growing in proper way presently. So next, these are my projects. Next. These are pillar dam bridges and complex order contract, structural consultant and contract. Maximum our company doing contract works. Next. Please, sir. Sir, please switch on that video, sir.
Gopi sir, the video is not linking.
Link.
Just give me
1 minute, sir. Shana.
Students, request you to kindly be with us patiently for a minute. We are just trying to play on that video for you.
Sir, it's visible, sir. Hello. Sir, it's audible, sir. Hello. Hello.
Gopi sir, you're audible. The screen is visible.
1 minute, sir.
Okay.
Sir, it's visible, sir. Hello.
Gopi sir, we can see your screen, but the video is not showing.
1 minute, sir. 1 minute.
Students,
Sir,
patience. Yeah.
few minutes, sir. Few minutes.
No problem, sir. Patience and repeated efforts are the hallmark of structural engineers. I think we are going to do that right now. We'll just wait for a minute. Yeah, the video is on.
Yes, sir.
Sir, we are not hearing the audio, sir.
Sir?
Hello?
Yes, sir. That's it, sir. Thank you, friends. Thank you for this great opportunity.
Thank you, sir. That was really a wonderful video. It's an icing on cake. I think as a structural professional with more than 16 years of experience, no one could have said better words to structural engineer for the start of their career. We see a lot of chats, messages thanking you for this. But let me tell you, students, nobody could have explained this world of structural engineering so simply and passionately as Gopi sir did. On behalf of Akshay College of Engineering, we are very, very thankful to you, sir. Thank you very much.
Yes, thank you, Pon Ratnavel, sir. I think this is a great opportunity for me. And I met a lot of Indian pillars. I think this is a good event for my career. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. The honor and pleasure is entirely ours. Thank you, sir.
Yes.
Students, before we move on, since this is a welcome meet, we thought we'll have a special dedication to all of you. We have another person here, a civil engineer, but she's more of my kind. She's a master's in environmental engineering. And she cares for two things: making the environment a better one technically, as well as making her environment of friends lovely with a God gifted voice. I am very happy to present before you Miss Shakti Sanjana, a very young, talented, and acclaimed singer of our city. Shakti did her BE in civil engineering from Dr. NGP Institute of Technology, and she is currently a final year student of ME Environmental Engineering at Kumaraguru College of Technology. I am very happy that she has agreed to come to our welcome meet and deliver a special singing performance for all of us. Shakti, we are very, very happy to have you here. She's a very talented singing prodigy, and I'm sure all of you will discover it in the next 10 minutes. So over to Shakti Sanjana for a special performance for the welcome meet of 9th batch of structural engineering. Shakti, thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. That's too much in 2 minutes, I guess. No one has ever introduced me like as a prodigy and all, so that's I think over the top for me. But thank you very much for giving this opportunity, Ratnavel sir and Akshay College. And I really wish all the incoming batch students and I really hope you all are here to make a difference. First of all, am I audible?
Yes, Shakti.
Okay, sir. So, So yeah, I've been given a few songs, out of which these were said to be all of your favorite songs. Hopefully, I guess I'll try to sing a few songs from the list and sing a few of my favorite songs as well. So hope you don't mind. Please bear with me. In case there are any flaws, obviously there will be. So I hope you guys can brush that off and just listen to the good parts from whatever I'm trying to sing to you guys. So, okay, so the first song. So since this is start a beautiful academic year, I just wanted to pay homage to all the engineers, and I wanted to start with this song called Kanavagal, Periya Kanavagal from Ullam Ketkume. Just 4 lines from these would be a good start, I hope. So here it goes. கனவுகள் பெரிய கனவுகள் காண கண்ணுக்கு சொல்லிக் கொடு நண்பா சர் அப்துல் கலாம் மொழிகள் போல கனவுகள் காண்போம் நண்பா பாயும் நதிகளை இணைப்போம் பாலைவனத்தில் நெல்லறுப்போம் ஒல்லேலே 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 ஹே கனவுகள் பெரிய கனவுகள் காண கண்ணுக்கு சொல்லிக் கொடு நண்பா சர் அப்துல் கலாம் நுழைந்தது போல கனவுகள் காண்போம் நண்பா பாயும் நதிகளை இருப்போம் பாலைவனத்தில் நெல்லறுப்போம் ஒல்லேலே 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 ஒல்லேலே. So that was a very formal song which I wanted to give because obviously academic when we are singing there should be one song which correlates with what we are the event is about. So moving on, I heard that you guys love Snehitini. So here is a small rendition of my version. நேற்று முன்னிரவில் உன்னித்திலவு மடியில் காற்று நுழைவதெனோ உயிர் கலந்து களித்திருந்தேன் இன்று வெண்ணிலவில் அந்த ஈர நினைவில் கன்று தவிப்பதெனோ மனம் கலங்கி புலம்புகிறேன் கூந்தல் நெளிவில் ஏழு கோலச்சரிவில் கூந்தல் நெளிவில் ஏழு கோலச்சரிவில் கருவம் அழிந்ததடி என் கருவம் அழிந்ததடி ஸ்நேகிதனே ஸ்நேகிதனே ரகசிய ஸ்நேகிதனே சின்ன சின்னதாய் கோரிக்கைகள் செவி கொடு ஸ்நேகிதனே இதே அழுத்தம் அழுத்தம் இதே அணைப்பு அணைப்பு வாழ்வின் எல்லை வரை வேண்டும் வேண்டும் வாழ்வின் எல்லை வரை வேண்டும் வேண்டுமே ஸ்நேகிதனே ஸ்நேகிதனே ரகசிய ஸ்நேகிதனே. So I think that was, I'm done with that song. So after Snehithini, from the list, I think Ennavale Adi Ennavale is a very beautiful song, and I hope you guys like this as well. வாய்மொழியும் எந்தன் தாய்மொழியும் இன்று வசப்படவில்லையடி வயிற்றுக்கும் தொண்டைக்கும் உருவம் இல்லா ஒரு உருண்டையும் உருளுதடி காத்திருந்தால் எதிர்பார்த்திருந்தால் ஒரு நிமிடம் நிமிஷமும் வருஷமடி கண்கள் எல்லாம் உன்னை காண்பது போல் ஒரு கலக்கமும் தோன்றுதடி இது ஸ்வர்கமா நரகமா சொல்லடி உள்ளபடி நான் வாழ்வதும் விடுகொண்டு போவதும் உன் வார்த்தையில் உள்ளதடி என்னவளே அடி என்னவளே அடி என்னவளே எந்த இதயத்தை தொலைத்து விட்டேன் எந்த இடம் அது தொலைந்த இடம் அந்த இடத்தையும் மறந்து விட்டேன் உந்தன் கால்களில் அது தொலைந்ததென்று உந்தன் காலடி தேடி வந்தேன் காதல் என்றால் பெரும் அவஸ்தை என்று உன்னை கண்டதும் கண்டு கொண்டேன் எந்தன் கழுத்து வரை என்று காதல் வந்து இரு கண் விழி பிதுங்கி நின்றேன் என்னவளே அடி என்னவளே. So those are the songs which I wanted to give you guys from your favorites. So apart from these, there's this song in Malayalam. Since I came to know there are also Malayali students, so I hope you guys like this song. Aradike മനുതിരോ വഴിയരുകേ നാളേറെയാ കാത്തു നിന്നു മെല്ലെ നീ എങ്ങു പോകിടും അകലേക്കുമായിടും ഇന്നാശകൾ തൻ മൺതുള്ളിയുമായി തുഴഞ്ഞരുകെ ഞാൻ വരാം എന്റെ നെഞ്ചാകെ നീയല്ലേ എന്റെ ഉന്മാദം നീയല്ലേ നിന്നെ അറിയാ ഒഴുനിരയാ ഒഴുകി ഒഴുകി ഞാൻ ഇന്നും ഇന്നും ഒരു പുഴയാ ആരാധിക്കേ മഞ്ഞുതിര വഴിയരുകേ. So I guess I've given you a few songs. If you guys are interested in any more songs, do let me know. I can try to sing those to you. Thank you, Alan. Thank you.
Thank you, students. I think Shakti has sung beautiful songs, which most of you requested for. If you like to request any songs now, you can. I think she can sing one or two more. If you have any specific requests, you can make to her.
Thank you, Ananda Krishnan. Thank you so much.
In that case, Shakti, I think we'll reserve the last for the best. Edwin sir is one of the pillars of our department. So okay, we'll have Edwin sir's favorite song. Edwin sir, which is your favorite song? We'll ask Shakti to sing.
Sure, sir. Do let me know. I would love to perform it for you guys.
We have, I think, another request in the chat box.
Pudumazhai. Oh my god, that's a really beautiful song. I'm not equipped with song. I mean, Pudumazhai is a very difficult song as well. I would definitely try to do that in the future. I'm really sorry for not singing it now. But yeah, Kannalini, I can definitely. I would request you guys to reduce your volume in case I'm taking the high pitch, because I cannot take control of my mic here. So I'm sorry if it screeches your ears in case during the high pitch. Fair warning to reduce your volumes. Oh, any superstar song? Definitely, sir. So after Kannalini, I will get back to Edwin sir's favorite song. So கண்ணாலனே எனது கண்ணை நேற்றோடு காணவில்லை, என் கண்களை பறித்துக் கொண்டு ஏன் இன்னும் பேசவில்லை, ஆளான ஒரு செய்தி அறியாமலே அலைப்பாயும் சிறு பேதை நானும், உன் பேரும் என் பேரும் தெரியாமலே உள்ளங்கள் இடமாறும் ஏனோ, வாய் பேசவே வாய்ப்பில்லையே, வழி தீர வழி என்னவோ, கண்ணாலனே எனது கண்ணை நேற்றோடு காணவில்லை, என் கண்களை பறித்துக் கொண்டு ஏன் இன்னும் பேசவில்லை. So there you go for the Kannalini. And superstar songs. So like please, that's only in English suggest pannalu would be really good only. I'm not getting any song. Takkan edhume nyabagam mattidhu. Superstar songs. Anyone from the audience would like to suggest any superstar songs?
What about Talabadi songs, Shakti, Chinna Tayaval or?
Oh yes, sir. I think Talabadi would be really nice. Can I sing Yamani actually?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Let me just check with the lyrics alone. Okay. யமுனை ஆற்றிலே ஈர காற்றிலே கண்ணனோடு தானாட, பார்வை பூத்திட பாதை பார்த்திட பாவராதையோ வாட, இரவும் போனது பகலும் போனது மன்னன் இல்லை கூட, இளைய கண்ணின் இமை தீடாத கண் இங்கும் அங்குமே தேட, ஆய பாடியில் கண்ணன் இல்லையோ, ஆசை வைப்பதே அன்பு தொல்லையோ, ஆய பாடியில் கண்ணன் இல்லையோ, ஆசை வைப்பதே அன்பு தொல்லையோ, பாவம் ராதா யமுனை ஆற்றிலே ஈர காற்றிலே கண்ணனோடு தானாட, பார்வை பூத்திட பாதை பார்த்திட பாவராதையோ வாட. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much, Shakti. I really feel awkward after speaking after hearing your lovely voice. Thank you.
Sure,
Thank you.
sir. No, not at all, sir. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity, and for all the audience, be it professors or the students. Thank you so much, and thank you.
Thank you, Gopinathan sir. He's sending you good comments. Gopi sir, if you have your favorite song, I think Shakti would like to sing that for you also. It will be a honor for us also.
So you're on mute. We're not able to hear you.
Excellent. Your voice is very nice. Excellent.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Sir, if you have any song which you would like to hear, also suggestions are welcome.
So any so I have some words in my mind. If you have chance to I speak the words.
Okay, sir.
அச்சமில்லை அச்சமில்லை அச்சமென்பதில்லையே உச்சி மீது வானிடிந்து வீழுகின்ற போதினும் அச்சமில்லை அச்சமில்லை அச்சமென்பதில்லையே இச்சகத்திலுள்ளோரெல்லாம் துச்சமென்ற போதினும் அச்சமில்லை அச்சமில்லை அச்சமென்பதில்லையே. If you have chance, song you take your way.
Oh my God, that's a really inspiring and revolutionary line which you just told, sir. எந்த டியூனுக்குமே வந்துட்டு அதோட வெயிட்ட வந்துட்டு கண்டிப்பா கேரி பண்ண முடியாது.
Yes, it's not a problem. You try it. You try it, ma.
கண்டிப்பாக சார். ஒரே நிமிஷம் சார். I'll just take like I'm really sorry. நான் தமிழ் வந்துட்டு ஸ்கூல்ல படிக்கிறதுக்கு எனக்கு வாய்ப்பு கிடைக்கல. So I'm not very well versed in that. இது அது ஜஸ்ட் எடுத்துக்கிறேன். கூகுள் மட்டும் பண்ணிக்கிறேங்க சார்.
No issue, no issue. I gave some other words. Okay, talk.
தாராளமாக சார். எனிதிங் which you would like to தாராளமாக கொடுங்க. அதுக்குள்ள I will definitely take அச்சமில்லை. Because பாரதியார் அவரோடது I always ரசிப்பேன். பட் எனக்கு அது
நான் மார்னிங் வந்து இந்த ஸ்லோகன் சொல்லிக்குவேன்.
ஓகே சார்.
சோ அதே மாதிரி இன்னும் சில வேர்ட்ஸ் இருக்கு. வீழ்ந்து எழுந்தவுடன் கிடைப்பதில்லை வெற்றி, வீழ்ந்து எழுந்தவுடன் கிடைப்பதில்லை வெற்றி, ஜெகத்திலுள்ளோரெல்லாம் துச்சமென்ற போதினும் அச்சமில்லை அச்சமில்லை அச்சமென்பதில்லை. இத வந்து இன்சர்ட் பண்ணிக்குவேன் நானு.
ஓகே சார்.
இன்னொன்னு இருக்கு, இன்னொரு ஸ்லோகன் இருக்கு நம்ம சிவில் இன்ஜினியர்ஸ்க்காக.
ஓகே சார்.
முடங்கி கிடந்தால் சிறந்தையும் உன்னை சிறையாக்கும், எழுந்து நடந்தால் எரிமலையும் உனக்கு வழிவிடும். இது நான் டெய்லி சொல்லிப்பேன். அப்புறம் வீழ்வாய் என்று நினைத்தாயோ வீழ்ந்து கிடப்பேன் என்று நினைத்தாயோ எண்ணி துணிய கர்மம் துணிந்தவன் எண்ணுவது என்பது இகழ்வு. சோ இதெல்லாம் வந்து நான் சொல்லிப்பேன். உங்களால ஜஸ்ட் இத ட்ரை பண்ணி பாருங்க.
Definitely sir, definitely sir. எனக்கு I'm not getting any tune also. Like I'll just try telling it. அச்சமில்லை அச்சம் எப்படி சொல்லலாம்? Sir, you put me in a difficult spot.
sorry. Okay. No issue about it. So I like some other words. You have any knowledge?
Favorite song, sir? Gopi sir, உங்களோட favorite song நீங்க அடிக்கடி கேக்குற song?
நான் சாங்ஸ்னு சொல்லிட்டு இதுதான் சார் நான் எனக்கு நானே பேசிப்பேன்.
Maybe if you don't mind, அச்சமில்லை இந்த இதுக்கும் there is this தமிழ் மூவி இந்திரா அப்படிங்கிற மூவியும் ஒரு ரெவல்யூஷனரி மூவி தான். மேபி அதுல இருக்கிற ஒரு பாட்டு உங்களுக்கு நான்
நோ இஷ்யூ.
நிலா காய்கிறது அப்படிங்கிறது ஒரு பியூட்டிஃபுல்லான சாங். ஸோ ஐ வுட் லைக் டு சிங் இட் ஹியர். நிலா காய்கிறது நீரம் தேய்கிறது யாரும் ரசிக்கவில்லையே இந்த கண்கள் மட்டும் உன்னை காணும் தென்றல் போகின்றது சோலை சிரிக்கின்றது யாரும் சூகிக்கவில்லை இந்த கைகள் மட்டும் உன்னை தேடும் காற்றில் வீசும் வெயில் காயும் காயும் அதில் மாற்றம் ஏதும் இல்லை ஆவானும் மண்ணும் நம்மை வாழச் சொல்லும் அந்த வாழ்த்து ஓயவில்லை என்றென்றும் வானில் நீலா காய்கிறது நீரம் தேய்கிறது யாரும் ரசிக்கவில்லை இந்த கண்கள் மட்டும் உன்னை நானும் அது போகின்றது ஆசை மேகம் மழையை கேட்டு சொல்லுங்கள் இதோ கேட்கின்றது குயிலின் பாடல் இசையை கேட்டு சொல்லுங்கள் இந்த பூமி பூவனம் உந்தன் பூக்கள் கேளுங்கள் இந்த வாழ்க்கை சீதனம் உங்கள் தேவையை கேளுங்கள் நீலா காய்கிறது நீரம் தேகிறது யாரும் ரசிக்கவில்லையே இந்த கண்கள் மட்டும் உன்னை காணும் தென்றல் போகின்றது சோலை சிரிக்கின்றது யாரும் சுகிக்கவில்லையே இந்த கைகள் மட்டும் உன்னை தேடும்
எக்ஸலன்ட் மா, கிரேட்.
தேங்க்யூ சார், தேங்க்யூ சார். நீங்க கேட்டது கொடுக்க முடியாத குடிக்கவில்லைனாலும் ஐ ஹோப் இது
நோ இஷ்யூமா, நோ இஷ்யூ. ரொம்ப நல்லா இருந்துச்சு, எக்ஸலன்ட்.
தேங்க்யூ சார், தேங்க்யூ
இன்னைக்கு
சார்.
லதா மங்கேஷ்கரை நாம இழந்துட்டோம். நான் ஒரு புது லதா மங்கேஷ்கரை பார்த்துட்டேன்.
அது ரொம்ப ரொம்ப பெரிய வார்த்தை சார். தேங்க்யூ.
இல்லம்மா இல்லம்மா, ட்ரை எதுவுமே ட்ரை பண்ணா கிடைக்காது எதுவுமே இல்லம்மா. நீ ட்ரை பண்ணலாமா, நல்ல வாய்ஸ் இருக்கு. நீ கிளாஸ் போனேம்மா?
எஸ் சார், சின்ன வயசுல கர்நாடிக் மியூசிக் கத்துக்கிட்டேங்க சார்.
எஸ்மா எஸ்மா, நல்லா இருக்கு. சார்
தேங்க்யூ சார், தேங்க்யூ so much.
Yes, thank you Pon Rutravel sir. I think this year definitely it's a great opportunity sir. Definitely it's a milestone.
Thank you sir. It's all because of your thoughts and Shakti's voice that we could make this a very memorable one. Thank you Shakti, yes, for a wonderful rendition.
Thank you.
We think you will definitely make the world a better place with your knowledge of environmental engineering as well as your sweet voice.
Thank you sir, thank you so much. So it was very sweet of you and all of you for giving me such sweet compliments. I think this would make my not only my day, my week as well. So thank you so much.
Yes sir, Pon Rutravel, small request. Sure. I expect my presentation feedback sir, especially my mistakes.
So, there are many comments. There were many comments. Ananda Krishna Guru, Alan, Jerem Justin, Rakesh, all of them have thanked you, and Rajesh also. I'm sure. I know that you are a person who's always looking to learn. You yourself said never stop learning because life never stops teaching. But
yes sir.
I think we couldn't have expected a much better start. As a structural engineering professional, you have put your experience so succinctly
yes,
that our students would really now they'll understand they have to have a goal. Now they'll understand, they noted down what are the requirements for a structural engineer. I think once they know the goal and they don't know the path, I think they'll definitely keep progressing, sir. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Yes, sir. If any mistake, please post here, sir.
Sir, I don't think there was any mistake. There was a lot of lovely takes, but okay. I don't think there will be any mistakes. But still, really enjoyed it. Once again, we have Alan and Ananda Krishna Guru thanking you for your motivational lesson. I think all of us here, first years, they feel inspired and they feel they can pursue their choice of structural engineering. Thank you,
yes,
sir.
Yes, thank
now,
you.
For a formal vote of thanks, may I kindly invite Professor P.A. Edwin Fernando.
Thank you, Professor. Most distinguished structural engineer Gopinathan sir, star singer and fellow civil engineering Shakti Sanjana ma'am, our big and lovely Akshaya family students, alumni and fellow faculty members, I am very happy to thank one and all for making this welcome meet a huge success. I am very thankful to Dr. M.J. Gobinathan sir, founder president, SEAT, for accepting to be here and inspire the first batch with his inaugural address. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
We know that you are a very busy person with your professional and social commitments. We thank you for giving us your valuable time and sharing you through your 9th batch. I am sure they will be reinforced by your address. I am thankful to Shakti ma'am, a star singer, for being here and rendering her voice and making this occasion more special. Thank you, Shakti. I am thankful to our batch topper and rank holder Shwadni for representing our alumni here. I thank all students from all batches, BE, ME, UG and PG, fellow faculty members and all alumni members for joining us. Thank you, Akshay family. The meet has ended. A new chapter has begun for 9th ME Structural Engineering. Thank you and welcome 9th batch. Make us proud. Thank you all. Thank you, Professor.
Thank you, Edwin sir. Thank you, Gopinath sir. Thank you, Shakti. And thank you all for making this Sunday morning a very memorable one. And as Edwin sir rightly said, this is just the beginning of 2 years of a wonderful career in structural engineering. So, thanking once again everyone. We'll be closing the meeting in a minute. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Gopinath sir. Thank you, Shakti.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Guru, thank you, Guru. Alan, thank you. Jerem, thank you. All of you here, thank you. I'll be just closing the meeting. Thank you.